can you show the underside of the roof? Do you have to put in washers and nuts, aim for studs, or is the sheeting enough? It's a great question. Let me show you what attachments I'm using. So the racking itself is a TerraGen racking, and this is gonna be the SunStack SSB1. It is a beautiful work of art when it comes to attachments. Very affordably priced. It is a beautiful foot, and the goal is for you to hit the rafter if you can, but you can also use it as what's called a deck mount attachment, which just means like you kind of put it anywhere, you put 5 screws in, and it works as a deck attachment. You do need to put more in when you're using it as a deck attachment, so you want to aim for the rafters, but this is super versatile. So here is where I want to put the next row of them, although that's not exactly where I'm going to put it. I'm going to aim for the rafter, but I'm going to try to offset. So I'm going to go over here. Right about here is my rafter. Just peel this off. You got that nice, sturdy butyl backing. And we're just going to put that right about here. Put in our 6mm Allen. And you put one in the top. Man, look at how, this is actually a great example of what this butyl does. The whole thing is engineered, the screw is engineered to bring that butyl into the hole with it. So it will draw the butyl into itself and bring it down into the hole so it seals around the tar paper, because the shingle, the externalness of the shingle itself doesn't actually waterproof your roof. It helps with water shedding, but this is not what waterproofs your roof. It's the tar paper that they put right on top of the plywood, and then this shingle is like the scales of a dragon, right? It's the physical armor, it's UV protection, it's all that. So when I put this bed down in, yeah, you can hear that went in. You can hear that went into a rafter. One more screw. Actually, that might not have gone into a rafter. All right, so it must be on this side. So we'll probably hit it over here. Now, usually you'd figure out that you didn't hit the rafter when you do this one, and you'd only have to put in 5 screws. But put this one. Oh yeah, that's solid rafter right there. You want to at least have 2 screws in your rafter. If the rafter is not on these center ones, you do have to put in 2 on each side. That just keeps the attachment from pitching one way or another. So ideally, I wouldn't have put in the one in the bottom here because you don't need it, but I did this time. And once that hole's made, you want that screw to be in there, keeping that butyl in that hole.